All right, engine's about ready to go in. So hopefully I did a good job and it actually turns on. This is gonna be my first attempt to start it, so we'll see. There doesn't seem to be a tach signal coming in, so let's go investigate. Alright, bit of a false start. Forgot to install the fuse, so let's see if it turns on. Well, didn't go as planned. Got it fired up off camera. Add coolant buzzer, which is known because of the low coolant. Alright, I'm gonna check for leaks. Alright, well, good first start. Plenty of assembly lube, but I guess that's a good sign. Alright, I'll go inspect it, but alright, I'm about done for today. I'll probably check a little bit more, but it's 4th of July, and well, there's my fireworks, so thanks for watching.